In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on card in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're designing a personal website or a professional page, the color of your text is crucial in making your content visually appealing and easy to read. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the card website. If you haven't already, log into your card account to access your projects. Once you're on the site, you'll see your dashboard with all your existing projects, and you can choose the one you'd like to work on. If you're starting fresh, go ahead and create a new site. Once your project is open, the next step is to locate the text element that you want to modify. Card allows you to design freely, so you might have several text elements on your page. Click on the one that needs a color change. As you select the text element, you'll notice that the sidebar on the left-hand side is populated with options related to that element. This is where all the editing magic happens. Within the sidebar, look for the paintbrush icon, which is generally intuitive enough to indicate where you can change styles. Click on that icon. It's your gateway to customizing the appearance of your text, including font style, size, alignment, and, most importantly for us, color. Now, under the font section, pay special attention to the color settings. You'll see a color box. This is the color picker. Click on it, and a window will pop up, offering you a color palette. Here, you have two options. You can choose a new color from the palette, perfect if you want to experiment and see what works best for your design, or if you have a specific color in mind, you can enter the hex color code. A quick tip: using hex codes ensures precision, especially if you're aiming for a consistent branding across your site. If your brand colors are predetermined, it's best to keep those hex codes saved somewhere handy for instances like these. Once you've selected the color that you feel suits your design well, simply click on the Done button to confirm your choice. This step saves your changes and applies the new color to the text element. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to change text color on card. It's a straightforward process, but having the right color can make all the difference in the aesthetics of your page. Play around with colors until you find what showcases your content best and complements your overall design. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create an amazing